Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Adobe Acrobat back to classic view. Alright, let's begin. If you're frustrated with the new Adobe Acrobat Reader layout, here's a quick way to switch back to the classic version. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click the menu button located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Disable New Acrobat Reader. Once selected, the program will prompt you to restart. Click Restart, and Adobe Acrobat will reload in the classic layout you're used to. If you ever decide to return to the new interface, click View at the top menu bar. From there, select Enable New Acrobat Reader. Again, you'll be prompted to restart the application. Once it restarts, the new layout will be restored. This option allows users to easily switch between both layouts based on personal preference. So that's basically how you can change Adobe Acrobat back to classic view. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.